Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today I am doing my BumpBox unboxing for the month of February. BumpBox is a pregnancy subscription where you get just stuff that's gonna like help you out through your pregnancy, whether it be like relaxing or like stuff for the baby, that kind of stuff. This was a gift for Christmas, so I don't know about like customization or anything like that. I believe it retails for $49.99 a month, but here we go. We'll go ahead and dive into this. You always get some little pamphlets with like information. We're gonna skip those, but first thing in here is by To Go Spa. This is the coconut and vitamin D eyes. This is the sunshine mask. It's 3 under eye treatments, and these retail for $15. So they're literally just under eye pads that you just stick under your eyes. You guys know how these work, I'm sure, but you just stick them under there for 15 to 20 minutes, take them off, and you're good to go. I do enjoy using these. I tend to use these a lot more than I use face masks, to be honest, but there is the first product. Okay, it goes with this. This is the Berkeley Green Bay Baby Multi-Surface Cleaner, free of dyes and perfumes, born in nature, perfected by science. It is cruelty-free and vegan, so are the eye patches. It's got little seahorses on it, that's really cute. Says for all hard, non-porous surfaces, nursery, high chair, toys, etc. No rinse required. It's for dirt, grease, crayons, markers, dried Play-Doh, fingerprints, and germs. That's awesome, and it comes with a little spray. This retails for $8.50. It's super hard. I live in Iowa, in like a really small town, and it's super hard to find like cruelty-free cleaning supplies, so that's cool. Next in here, I think this is something that we just like get every time because I've gotten some of this every time and I still have not used it, I'll be honest. But this is tea, Ripe and Ready tea. It's for $6. It's by Birds and Bees Teas. I just don't really make my own tea. I'm lazy, so I mean it's fun. If you're not lazy like me, then it's cool. But okay, Bella Bee Body Buzz Post-Pregnancy Recovering Cream. Skin firming and cellulite control, hypoallergenic, paraben free, mild fresh scent. Okay, that's cool. So this retails for $12.99. This is like a lotion that you're supposed to use after you have your baby. It is cruelty-free, but basically it's for like cellulite and firming your body after it stretches way too much. Okay, trying to smell it. Yeah, it just smells like clean, like light laundry kind of scent, so that's cool. Not my most favorite scent in the world, but I'm excited about this. Running out of places to put things. Okay, next is this little guy. What are you? BioGaia? BioGaia? I don't know. This is also not on my list. That makes no sense. So I've been noticing that though. There's usually stuff in here that's like not listed, like the list of prices. This is not on there. What is this? Protex baby drops for colic and digestive comfort. Probiotic drops is what these are. You're supposed to shake well for 10 seconds before each use. Dispense the drops. Press the tube gently and give by spoon. Use 5 times a day. So are these for the baby or are these for like I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look this up because I'm not sure what this is, but I mean it's a probiotic drop, I see that, but it says for colic and digestive comfort, but I don't know if like the mom is supposed to take this for like breastfeeding purposes or if you're supposed to give this to the baby. It really does not say. So we'll look into that, I guess. And the last thing in here is this. I'm gonna start sneezing. It says, "Hello, baby." This is by Pearhead. It's a baby journal for $19.99. I actually don't have one of these yet, surprisingly, so that's cool. but it says hello baby right there, and it's got a cute little arrow. It's very gender neutral. I don't know that you can like customize based on your genders or not, but it's got baby's name, birthday, height and weight on there, and then photos of mommy, about mommy, photos of daddy, about daddy, photos of mommy and daddy, the story of mommy and daddy, family tree, that's adorable. So you can fill out both sides. My first photo shoot, doctor's appointments, baby shower, day I was born, birth announcement. I don't have like any of this stuff. Goodness. Okay, we'll go through that more, but that's everything, you guys. So stuff that I will actually use. Let's go over that. I will probably use this. I feel like I'm a little behind. I haven't taken like many pictures at all, but I will probably use this. We'll see if I like it after, but yeah. These I'm on the fence about. I don't know how I feel about that. I might like show that to my doctor and see what they say, but I don't know. I'm not gonna use the tea just because I'm lazy, but I will definitely use these eye patches. So honestly, this is probably one of my favorite boxes. This is only my third one, but I think this is probably my favorite so far. But yeah, that's everything. Don't forget to let me know if you guys get the subscription, what you think of it. Did you get the same things? Can you customize? All that fun stuff. Let me know down below. Don't forget to like this video before you go and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.